Okay, let's say that your step on your Vita or Porto is in the out position, can't get it to come in, motor's not working or whatever, and we want to manually move it in. We'll take a look at how to do that now. First thing we want to do is crawl up underneath here, take a look at your wires here, and we're going to disconnect the 2-wire plug, the one with just the 2 wires going to the motor, just for safety. Just unplug it before we start getting our hands anywhere around anything. After we get that disconnected, we're going to remove 2 bolts and we can push this step in. So this bolt right here, we're going to remove that one on each side. It's a bolt and a nut. There's 2 washers up in there that go together, so don't lose those 2 washers. And I'm going to actually do it from the outside here, so I'll move the camera around. To get these 2 bolts out, I'm using a 9/16 wrench and a Allen socket here, which is a 1/4 inch, because the inside of the bolt head is an Allen. Okay, we'll come down here, and you can see the crossbar right about there, this crossbar. We're just going to take the bolts out of each side of it. Again, I've already disconnected the motor. And let me reach around over here. Now I would suggest not, even though the motor is disconnected, not putting your hands in this area. But I am going to go up underneath it. And we can just take that out that side, push this bolt out. Hopefully I'm not in the way too much. And there's 2 washers right here too. Don't lose those 2 washers. Go to the other side. And again, reaching from underneath so nothing will get caught up in there if things were to move. Let's see. Put my wrench on this side. And we'll just take the bolt off of this side. Lifting up on the step just a hair to get the tension off that bolt. And again, watch the 2 washers that come out. Now your step should be loose, and you can just push this back up out of the way. And I would tie it up somehow back there just to get it in, so make sure it doesn't fall down again if your step's not working. But anyway, that's how we can get it back in without disconnecting too much stuff. So this kind of just swings freely now. Put it back together, you just reverse the process. Put your bolts in with the 2 washers on the inside, and then through that hole. And then put the one back in the other side, and your step should be in working order again. Let me scooch over here. Take my bolt, it goes in from this side, and kind of move the step out of the way so you can get the washers in there. The 2 washers go together. Put it in that hole. And come on. Okay, now we'll snug that up and we'll see. Open the door here, turn my switch back on. I had turned it off just so it wouldn't go out. I will close the door again, just like it should. So this is just in case you ever got somewhere and the step doesn't want to go in, you can't get it in, tried all the other things, and the last step is just to disconnect the step. That's about as easy as it can get, I think. And then, like I said, once it's up, you just tie it up.